Hi, I'm Mark from Fine Country Leamington Spa. I'm here today at our latest listing. Stunning property behind me is Stapenhall Farm in Deppers Bridge, offering over 6,500 square feet of flexible living accommodation together with a one-bedroomed annex. This property sits in 10 acres of garden and paddock land overlooking Warwickshire countryside. Come with me and we'll take a good look around.
Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like more information or to book a viewing, you can contact myself or my colleague Mark at the Leamington Spa office on 01926 455 950. Have a great day.